If you are annoyed that you can't play Roblox on your school Chromebook, I want to show you how to unblock it and play it. So firstly, go to the Google Docs in my description down below and pick any of these like 1,000 links. When you do that, just copy it and then go to a new tab. When you do that, press Alt and right click on the bookmark part and then press add page. When you do that, change the name to like unblock Roblox or unblocked or anything like that, and then change the URL to the link that you just done and paste it in. I'm just going to do one of the links which are in that Google Doc, which is fun1.frostbite.cc, and then press save. When you press save, you're going to want to press on the bookmark you made. It will say like connecting to server, loading, something like that, and then you'll be in the server right now. When you are here, you're going to want to go to the bottom part, input your URL directly, and do roblox.com/login. And then when you do that, you can see these three things at the bottom. You're going to want to press open in browser. When you do that, you'll be redirected to this, do your thing, and yeah,